The iRobot Roomba Vac 2 is a practical choice for users looking for straightforward cleaning features. Its self-emptying station minimizes the need for frequent manual intervention, while its suction power controls allow users to tailor the cleaning intensity based on their mess. The row-by-row cleaning pattern ensures systematic coverage, leaving no area untouched. These features make it a reliable option for users seeking convenience and consistency in their cleaning routine. However, the Roomba Vac 2 does have some limitations. Its below-average battery life can disrupt cleaning sessions as it requires recharging. Additionally, its vacuuming performance is subpar compared to competitors even within Roomba's own lineup, especially on carpets and heavy debris. The lack of smart mapping capabilities further reduces its efficiency, particularly in larger or more complex spaces. These shortcomings may have to be a consideration for users looking for a more advanced and capable cleaning device.